That's nuts, Millie.
My last nigga was a nigga. I need a nigga with about 6 figures. And it's someone who know what to do with it. Someone who ain't on that goofy shit. I need to know what you gon' do. I ain't tryna go through deja vu. It's some bull that I've been through. Oh, it's not the same with you. Come make me feel away. Days know I never change. Yeah, relieve all the pain. Make me forget those things. Oh, I wanna lay with you. See what this thing will do. Yeah, put me on something new. Put me on, cause I want something, something that I can feel. I want something that I know is real. I want something, something that I can feel. Come and put me on the real.
And I know you ain't never had nobody in your life that'll come through and do you right. Don't you let me change your life, girl. I'm tryna put that race underwater. Girl, I might just give you a daughter. Girl, I know, baby, get it sweet. Let me show you how it feels. Fade away. They say levitate. Baby, relieve all your pain. Make you forget those things. Girl, I wanna lay with you. I'll show you what this thing gon' do to you. But you want something new. You want
Something that I can feel. I want something that I know is real. I want something that I can feel. Come and put me on the real.
That's nuts, Millie.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. My mind, I'm packing back and I'm station. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to save this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else. It's you. without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love until you call me back. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you up, and let you know everything will be alright. Going through, yeah. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down. Wanna be down. Got to be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You wanna be down. No matter time of day and night, it's true. Wanna be down. Wanna be down. No matter the time.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I did a review for ISEE hair, and today I reviewed this 13x4 highlighted unit. It is a pink highlighted curly unit, so you know how to try it because y'all know pink is my favorite color. I wanted to show you guys the parting space on this unit because it is more so like a horseshoe kind of parting space. As you guys can see here, it's very minimal parting space on the side. The tracks are literally right there, but I'm going to show you guys how you can still do a side part with a unit like this. So you're just going to part it here like right along the line and literally just put enough hair to cover up the tracks, and you're pretty much good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wet this and then comb it over so it stays in place. But all in all, you guys, I really did like this unit. The length for this unit is about like a 24 inch. I want to say it's about 180% density, and I really like the fullness to it as well. It's a very full unit, so you can get a lot out of it. One of these days though, I really think that I want to like flat iron one of these curly units that I get, just so you guys can see like what a curly unit looks like flat iron, and maybe just see what other kind of styles we can get out of it. Maybe I'll pop in some wand curls. I've did that a couple of years ago, but yeah, this is what the unit looks like with a side part. As you guys can see, it's not a very, deep side part on the side, but in the back part, you still get a little bit of space. You can still see some kind of parting space without seeing the tracks, so there's that. But one thing that I will say about this unit is that you really can't see the highlights in it until the hair is dry. When it's wet, you can still see them, but it's not like enough of the highlights to actually see it like that. So at the end of the video, I will be showing you guys what the hair looks like dry, and I typically do that anyway with my videos. I show you what the hair looks like wet so you can see what that looks like, which is always beautiful no matter what company it's with. And then I always show you guys what it looks like dry. But all in all, I really do like this unit from ISEE Hair. I want to shout them out for sending over this unit. It's very unique. I've never seen it before, so I definitely had to try it out. I will be doing maybe like another hairstyle with this. If you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section down below. And this is just a different way for me to show you guys the unit. But look at the lace on here, you guys. I really like the lace to this unit. The lace on this unit is actually really nice. The only thing about it was just like in the center part, it could have probably been like a little bit better, but I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all think the lace is on this unit, but I think it's really, really good. The only thing I say about the center part is that, sometimes it just be looking like a little light, but yeah, I like her though. You know what I'm saying? She's a nice little density. This is what it looks like wet, and well, it's not really wet. It's more so damp, but I also wanted to show you guys that you can still put it up in a half up, half down if you wanted to. This is what it looks like. I did customize this unit, by the way, so I did bleach the knots. I plucked it, and I also tinted the lace with the Ebon lace tint spray. You guys know I'm crazy about that spray. I will link it down below. But yeah, look at that. It looks great. Like, I love it. And honestly, I think a lot of you guys will like this unit as well. So if any of you guys are interested in checking out this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below. See you in my next one. Bye.